kid, but if you leave her at that all day, you come home from work and she's fucking flopped out next drooling.
That's the teddy bear.
Gender confused dog.
Yeah.
Right, Matt, go on, let him at
Mate, your dog is fucked up.
it. That's a female dog humping a stuffed toy.
How good is that?
You never know, this might be a YouTube hit. You never know. At Paul's legs as well.
I'll keep out of the way, thanks. I don't want any of the action.
I love where she bites his ear.
Yeah, that's just like the ear, doesn't she? It's like the ear action. Yeah.
And then she licks it.